What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Craig. Welcome to the channel. We're going to be talking about the markets, what I think is going to happen. Trump made his big trade deal announcement yesterday, which really wasn't even a trade deal. It is not a done deal. Don't know why that was a big announcement. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I do. I think they're trying to prop the markets up because what's coming is horrible and you need to see this. Stick around for the whole video. We're also going to take a look at Bitcoin and what's going on with that. So definitely make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the video. Also, subscribe to the channel. If you like these videos and you want your daily updates, make sure you tick that notification bell. Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial. Right now is up 61 points. S&P's up 15 points. Nasdaq's up 89 points. And Russell 2000 is up 36 points at the time of this video. Now, I'm going to tell you guys how to get a free $10,000 deposit bonus here coming up, so definitely stick around for that also, and how you could win a Tesla. So anyways, let's take a look at the Dow Jones. So this is what I think is a good possibility here, right? Trump just happened to make an announcement and of a trade deal that's not even a deal, and then the market's pumped because everyone got excited. But is it going to last? That's what we're going to talk about. So here we go. Let's take a look at where we're at, right? This was the area we were watching for a rejection at the 41,850 range. We didn't quite get there, but we did hit the 200 EMA and get rejected so far. I know Trump is telling everybody to buy, but guys, remember, what the big people do in the markets is they get the little people to buy as they sell at the top. That's called distribution. Look up the Wyckoff method and you'll understand distribution. They distribute their shares, their Bitcoin, their everything to you at the tops, so they get high dollar for them before it crashes. So keep an eye on that. But anyways, right now, where's our next support? Next support to watch for is 40,850 range. If it drops below there, look for below 40, 39.8. Once we hit there, once we break this 39, actually, we're going to put this over here. Once we break this 38.6 level, it's going to be pretty bad for the markets, in my opinion. You let me know what you think, but let's take a look at the S&P. S&P, same thing, right in our golden pocket zone right here. Whoops, let me get this off here. Everything's hitting the golden pocket zone, so far getting rejected. Let's talk about if the markets do what Bitcoin did, it broke through the golden pocket, came up just past the 786. Will the markets follow? Possibly. Depends on if somebody very popular makes a post or something to try to get people to buy again. But anyways, Nasdaq, same thing. Here's our golden pocket range. Also retest of the bottom of this channel that it fell out of. Could go as high as 18.3, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. I should rephrase that. I don't think it's going to break through the 18.3. If it does, that would suggest to me all markets are going to see one more all-time high. Somebody put a comment in the video yesterday. If you want, go back and look at it. He was talking about, I can't remember what the year is, but it's lining up with the 1928 crash. It's Deadwood or Dogwood or something. I'm not sure. Go back in yesterday's video, the live stream, look through the comments and you'll see it. Made a pretty good point there. I meant to do something about that today, but I'm not doing the live because I have an appointment today and I couldn't do a live stream. So anyways, if you're interested, before we get into Bitcoin, getting a huge bonus on Prime XBT. They've added stocks to Prime XBT. So it always had Dow Jones, S&P, Bitcoin, some crypto, markets, gold, silver, oil, all that has always been there. Now they've added stocks. Make sure you check that out if you haven't already. You can sign up using my link down below. There's also a tutorial video down there. I'll leave that tutorial up top. I'm going to be making a whole new tutorial, but all you have to do, sign up using my link. And if you already have signed up using my link, you can go to the promo section. This is the last day to get the 100% deposit bonus. So if you haven't done that already and you want to do it, today's your last day. I'm trying to get them to extend it. Not sure what's going to happen yet, but as of right now, today's the last day. Whatever you deposit up to $10,000, they'll match in your account. to use towards your margins. So definitely check them out. Also, for those trying to win the Tesla, if you sign up with BITUNIX, this is a special deal for my followers only. You can win a Model 3 for the top prize, Rolex for the second prize, all the way down to the Apple Watch. And this was the winners of last month's. They gave away a couple Apple Watches, or you can either take the prize or the what am I trying to say here? Or the cash. So sign up using my link. There's also a tutorial. I'll leave a tutorial for BITUNIX up top also. All right, so Bitcoin. So here was our bullish chart, right? If we get up to this range, we could see 125 to 135, and then that be the top there. But I've been talking about, I think there's a good chance that this is the top. So unless we break it, so if we break this top here, that's what I'm looking for, 125 to 135. But if we have topped, which I think is a good possibility still, here is the count, right? Still looking pretty much the same to me, guys. This looks like one big finish cycle. If the stock markets come down here, which I believe is still a good possibility, not saying it's going to happen or it has to happen, but I am saying it's a very good possibility. I'm currently in no trades right now. I'm waiting to kind of see what the markets do, waiting to see if a certain someone says a certain something to pump the markets a little more, because according to what the guy put in the comments yesterday, the stock market had one more pump, one more high before the major crash, which I'm not going to say is impossible, right? But either way, the end result is going to be huge, and that's what we're waiting for, the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. Now, let's take a look at the smaller zone. So here is the measured move of the breakout over here. If we do break out 126-ish, but if we have topped, then here's your counts, right? Now, this could actually go up a little higher now. But either way, these are your counts to get down to lower levels. If it's an ABC correction, unless we break the top, right? So I'm watching for a major rejection sign here. So if we get back below this 101.8 range, I think I'm going to re-enter my shorts. If you break the all-time high, I'm just going to wait around and try to catch the big short, so I don't have to do a lot. But I know a lot of people day trade. You could look for, you know, smaller moves in the smaller time frames. Do what you got to do. We will be doing our live streams again next week at 9:45, so we can go over charts with you guys. Yesterday's was mostly just watching the Trump deal, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Be careful out there. If you are trading, make sure you use stops. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day. I'm out. I will see you Monday, unless something huge happens this weekend.